I don't think I will ever be able to compensate for how much you have tolerated me all these years. I just want to thank you and tell you that you mean the world to me. Thanks for making my life worth of living. Your beautiful eyes take me to a land far away, where there is only love, happiness, joy and smiles everywhere. Your pretty lips remind me of your sizzling touch. I feel like a teenager in love when I see you. I just want to say I love you to the most gorgeous woman on earth. My love for you is deeper than the deepest ocean, taller than the tallest mountain, hotter than the hottest desert, and denser than the densest of forests. My love for you is truly eternal. I love you. I want to love you more than forever, because even eternity is not enough time for me to express my love for you. I am afraid of death, not because I fear death itself. I am afraid of death because I know that even the heavens cannot be as beautiful as you. I love you, my dear girl. Your love is food for my heart, mind and soul, without which I cannot survive a single second. You know my heart beats for you, and only you, my darling. I love you. I won't trade even a second spent with you for $1 billion, because every second of my life that I spent with you is priceless. The first thing in the morning, I yearn for your smile. When you are not around, even for a while, I feel I am lost. My love, I love you forever. Please do not leave me ever. No one can replace your place in my heart. I am totally lost when we are apart. My girl, my love, I love you more than me. It is just for you to see. We love you forever and ever. Thanks for being there in my life. You complete me in true sense. My love and respect for you is immense. You are the sweetest person I ever knew. You light me up when I feel so low. You are a perfect girl anyone can ever ask. Love you lots. Love you deeper than the sea. Love you higher than the sky. Love you till the end of time. Love you, my dear. You are truly mine. Be as you are and never change.